So, good day again. My name is Noemi De Rosetta from Besed Math 3A. So, today we're going to talk about the rising sun geometric model and titignan natin kung cyclic group ba itong ating model and kung cyclic din ba yung mga subgroup niya. So, first, what is a cyclic group? So, a cyclic group is a group that can be generated by a single element. So this means that every element in the group can be written as a power in multiplicative notation or multiple in additive notation of one particular element called a generator. So ang cyclic group daw is dapat may isang element siya na nage-generate yung buong element o yung buong group. So let's check our group. So, yung group natin is may 16 element siya. So, meron tayong J, O, H, and 3 colon 16 star G, R, A, C, E, F, U, and L. So, let's start muna sa J, which is our identity element. So, J star J is equal to J. So, yun lang yung element natin. Since pag ini-star ulit natin si J sa sarili niya, mapupunta lang ulit tayo sa J, mauulit lang. So, J lang yung na-generate ni J. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin. So, pag bumalik tayo sa pinakaunang element is doon tayo, hihinto na tayo doon. So, ganun lang siya. So, O star O, tingnan natin dito sa table, O star O is H. So, ito, H. And then, H star O. So, H star O is N. So, yan. And N star O is 3. So, we've got 3. And 3 star O ulit. 3 star O is colon. And colon star O is 16. And 16 is star O is star. And star O is J. And J star O is O. And kung O star O, babalik tayo sa H. So, hindi na natin siya ulit. Hanggang doon na lang yung na-generate na elements ni O. So, ganun lang din yung gagawin natin sa lahat ng element natin. Now, as you can see, wala tayong element na na-generate niya yung lahat ng element natin dito. So, si J hanggang J lang siya. Si O, ilan lang yung element na nakuha niya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, meron lang 8 na element na na-generate si O. Ganon din si N and H. Si H may 4 lang siya na na-generate na element. So, since walang element na na-generate yung entire group natin, therefore, yung group N natin is not a cyclic group. Next, explore naman natin yung mga proper subgroups ni J. Ni N. So, explore natin kung cyclic subgroup ba sila. So, we have the subgroup N2. So, we have 2 elements na J and 3. And J, alam natin na si J lang yung element na ma-generate niya. So, si 3, na-generate niya is J and 3. So, paano natin nakuha yung mga element na to? So, 3 star 3 is J and J star 3 is 3. So, we have 2 elements na na-generate ni 3 which is J and 3. So, the generator is 3 since nandito lahat ay nasa kanya, na-generate niya yung mga element niya. Na-generate niya yung buong element. So, meron tayong generator 3. So, therefore, N2 is a cyclic subgroup. Next, we have the subgroup N3. So, meron tayong 2 elements din. So, si J and G. So, si J, yung na-generate niya lang is yung sarili niya, J. Si G, meron tayong na-generate na 2 elements which is J and G. So, yung G and G is J. Ayan. And J star G is G. So, na-generate ni G lahat ng element natin. So, therefore, our generator is G. Therefore, N3 is also a cyclic subgroup. Next, we have the subgroup N4. So, we have J and 3. So, ganun lang din. Meron tayong generator na R. So, therefore, N4 is a cyclic subgroup. And we have also subgroup N5. So, we have J and A. And the generator is A. Therefore, this is a cyclic subgroup also. Next, we have also mga proper subgroups na merong tigto 2 elements. So, dito ang generator natin is si C. So, therefore, N6 is also a cyclic subgroup. Sa N7 naman, generator natin si E. Therefore, N7 is also a cyclic subgroup. Sa N8 naman, meron tayong generator na F. Therefore, N8 is a cyclic subgroups. And sa N9 naman, meron tayong generator na U. So, therefore, N9 is also a cyclic subgroup. Sa N10 naman, meron tayong generator na L, which therefore, si N10 is also a cyclic subgroup. Next, we have yung proper subgroups natin na merong order of, meron siyang tig-4 na elements. So, dito sa N11, meron tayong generator na H and 16. So, sabi naman doon sa definition kanina, at least 1. So, meron tayong dalawang generator dito. So, therefore, N11 is also a cyclic subgroup. So, dito, sa next subgroup natin na N12, so, as you can see, walang element na na-generate niya yung entire element or yung entire group. So, therefore, pag walang generator, si N12 is not a cyclic subgroup. So, ganun din dito sa ating subgroup na N13. So, wala ding generator. So, therefore, N13 is not a cyclic subgroup. And dito din sa subgroup natin na N14, wala din tayo nakuhang generator. So, therefore, our N14 is not a cyclic subgroup. So, dito naman tayo sa mga subgroup na may tig-8 na elements. So, dito, as you can see, meron tayong generator na O. So, madami sila O, N, colon, tsaka star. So, as you can see, na-generate nila yung mga elements natin. So, napalabas nila yung lahat ng elements natin dito sa ating subgroup na N15. So, therefore, our subgroup N15 is a cyclic subgroup. Next, we have another proper subgroup. So, N16. So, as you can see, wala tayong generator dito. So, therefore, N16 is not a cyclic subgroup. Also, subgroup N17. So, wala din tayong generator. So, therefore, N17 is not a cyclic subgroup. So, dito sa trivial subgroup natin, which is J. So, the trivial subgroup J is a cyclic subgroup because it can generate by the identity element. So, ang conclusion natin, si group N is not a cyclic group, but there are 12 subgroups of group N that is a cyclic subgroup. So, yan lang.